God, mad scientist. One time. This is not a hailstorm. This is an iceberg hail. So you better get shelter, or else you're getting decapitated. Right here. That's some crazy shit. Watch out, this is an iceberg hail. The train is coming and your head is trapped on the rail. Man, you got anthrax on your mail. Listen, what? Hey yo, I'm on you. This is an iceberg hail. You get mixed up on the iceberg hail. You get shelter on the iceberg hail. Move back before you get decapitated. Open your skull, kid, and let me blow your mind. You feminine, just go home and just shave your bikini line. I beat down flows, every bar flip is the baseline. This is not white though, crack your neck instead of your waistline. You're dealing with a bunch of retarded dicks with soul and testes. Stop fucking around, boy, you might just contract the disease. My ideologies and these scientific theories will leave house music getting burglaries. MCs try to step through and test these, but they ain't coming through, they're more like phantom pregnancies. My breath is flammable, don't let a cigarette in front of me. I spray you great if you're tryna bug me. Hit you with a kettle belt like a dove G. If you just try to fly right above me, I must cross G, but not flipping phony, but metaphorically, marvelously deep like 4 melanin men wearing the linen. But the feminine men don't always try to spoil it. If you stuff the dicks inside their ass, they'll probably enjoy it. You fucking cocksuckers. Watch out, this is an iceberg hail. The train is coming and your head is strapped on the rail. Man, you got anthrax on your mail. Listen, what? Hey yo, I'm on you. This is an iceberg hail. You get mixed up on the iceberg hail. You get shelter on the iceberg hail. Move back before you get decapitated. My J-Sack flows will amaze the state. So watch your speech get cut, trying to speak with a mouth full of razor blades. MCs trying to test these, but they ain't got the balls. The only time you can drop a fat line is when your casket falls. 7 ass and matches a second, 6 sons they be sending me. I'm sicker than syphilis enough to cipher in the cemetery. Don't bet on me. Quit it poppin', gold drain white though your talent is wasted like bombing graffiti on the walls of Jericho. So here we go. Could it be the cap of Bosco, Eastman? Yeah, gets one peep. We keep your boo bread. I'm talented. It's quite irrelevant to be diligent. Living MCs go dudes like Michael Jackson's Pikmin. Make your mind flow low with the swazi stats that I'm jealous in. If you think you dope, kid, then who the hell you crackin'? Do you do this shit lovely? You ain't a descendant of Cupid like fools on a jumbo jet, kid. You just plain stupid. That cats come on a cypher and act all big-headed. This is an iceberg hail. A kick, you get decapitated, motherfucker. Watch out, this is an iceberg hail. The train is coming and your head is strapped on the rail. Man, you got anthrax on your mail. Listen, hey yo, I'm on you. This is an iceberg hail. You get mixed up on the iceberg hail. Shut up on the iceberg hail. Before you get decapitated. Hold the knife under your ass and cut the bullshit before I take those feces and rub him on your face. Necklace you with a stack of burning tires. I walk on my street, this a walk on hellfires. I'm the testicle castrator, the eastern orchestrator, the mind maker. The rap rhyme obliterator. Ha ha ha. Kid, I can see that you're in danger. I'm dressed as nice like a gift of a baby born in the major. Man, your vocal utterance is nonsense. You couldn't spit flows that a psychedelic substance. Listen, man, you're messing with a freestyle fanatic. Iceberg hell got you freezing like white people in Titanic, but I'm still hot. And walk to hell will give me frostbite. One look at me, another MC